Hey, hi everyone. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about that how to use the equality, inequality, and the comparison operator in MongoDB. Well, MongoDB provides very powerful query operator to filter document based on the condition, and these conditions are written with some special characters, which I'll explain you in this particular lecture. So, if you see here, we are having some 5, 6 different operators and it look like this dollar eq shows you're equal to, this dollar ne shows not equal to, this dollar gt shows greater than, dollar lt shows less than, dollar gte shows greater than or equals to, right? If you have the knowledge of programming, then you must be aware about this particular operator, right? It is what it is. Sorry, not like this, greater than and equals to, right? So yeah, like this, and less than or equals to, lte, right? So this is your operators in the MongoDB, and how we use it, let me explain you. So for that purpose, let's go to the index.js file. So we will start with equal, right? Equal. So before starting, let me show you my database, right? So here you can see this is my database where the database name is programming knowledge and the collection is students, right? Inside of this we are having this 5 different data where I'm having the field like name, age, and the marks. You can see, right? I'm going to apply these operator on these particular data and show you the results, right? So first of all, I need to start. So I'm using the equal example, right? First, so our collection student is stored inside this particular variable, which is collection, right? So let's start. So here I'll write that const equal result equals to await collection dot find, put a bracket here, and let me just close this, right? So collection dot find, and after putting this find, we need to put a curly bracket, right? Since we want to take out those data where we apply, on which the particular filter that we are going to apply should get satisfied, right? So I want to find the data where the age is equals to 20. So for the equals to, what we use dollar, then eq, right? Eq, and age to be 20, right? And after getting the data, let's say that there are a lot of data where the age is 20, right? So to get those data, I need to convert them into the array first. So to array, like this, right? And then print it, console.log equal result, like this. Let's just save it, go to the terminal. Here I'll write node index.js, press enter. But before pressing enter, let me show you. Here I'm having the current where the age is 20, and this aman where the age is 20. So we should get two different data, right? Let's press enter, and yes, you can see I got two different data. One is for aman and second is for karan. Why? Because their age is 20. So this is how we apply this equal operator here. Now let's work with the not equal operator, right? So let me just add not equal operator, right? And for not equal, what we use n e, right? Not eq, we use n e. So for that, let's write n e, like this. And here let me write not equal result. Let's just save it. So basically it will give me all the results where the age is not equal to 20. Means among these 5 different data, since two are having the age as 20, it should give me these 3 results, right? So let me just run it. So let me first save it. Yeah. So after pressing enter, you can see it has given me 3 different data set where the age is not equals to 20, 22, 19, and 23, right? So this is how it works. Now let's move forward toward the more operator, like more different operators. Now we are going to work with, okay, let me just copy it and make it comment. And now we are going to work with greater than, right? So for greater than, let me just write the code here, and greater than, right? and to collect await collection dot find, we want to find the data where, let's say, the marks, right? The marks is something since greater than, right? So for greater than dollar $gt, right, we use dollar $gt, and let's give it the filter of 70. So I what is this saying? It is saying that filter out those data from the collection where marks is greater than 70, right? And then here I'll write greater than, right? So let's just save it and go to the terminal and let's run it, right? So before that, let's check 70. So Aman has 85, so yes, it is satisfying the filter. Ria will come, Vikas will not come, it is having less marks. Neha will come, and the Karan is having less marks. Why always boys have less marks? Huh, very common. So yeah, you can see the marks is 85, marks is 92, and the marks is 75. So we have successfully filter out those data where the marks is greater than the particular number, which is 70. So we use successfully the greater than operator. Now let's move forward toward lesser than operator. So let's just copy it and less than, right? So here I'll want less than, right? Less than, like this. And for less than, what we use, since for the greater than it was GT, so for the lesser than it will be LT, right? So since we are having 5 datas here, now I should get 2 different data, like 2 data set. So let's just save it and node index.js, let's press enter, and you can see I got these 2 data set where the marks is less than 70, right? 60 and the 50. So this is how we work with the less than operator. Now let's move forward toward the greater than or equal, right? So greater than or equal, right? So let's write the same here, and I'll write uh, for the greater than, so GTE result, right? And I want to filter where the marks is let's say GTE, and let me just give you something like greater than and marks is 22, right? So I want the strength where the marks is greater than 22. So let's just save it and go to the terminal, run it again. Okay, sorry, greater than not, it will be GTE result, right? This, yeah. So it should work now. So you can see it has given me all the data set. Why? Because everyone is having the marks greater than 50, right? So this is how we use the GTE, which is greater than or equal operator. Now the last task, last one operator is less than or equal. I'm leaving it on you. Try it with your code, right? Write it with the same syntax I have taught you, and yes, check out that how we work with it, right? So this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.